Okay, I have a 1991 GMC 1500 Sierra SL 6-cylinder cab full bed, and I needed to replace a fuel pump. And I followed the instructions on the quick replacement that I saw on YouTube, and the original dimensions they gave me, they were wrong, so I had to recut it, and I found that it was right here. And in the long bed here, as you can see, it's 28.5 inches on 14 inches from the side to 28 inches, and then about 13 inches back to about 19 inches back, there's a brace there, and that's the measurements. 13 to 19 from the back of the cab I had to cut it back to about 11 inches to get to the connectors to 28 inches. And that misses all the components and the lines there. I cut down about a 1/2 inch depth with the Sawzall. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.